And so my kids were going, you need to interview this one and that one and this one and that one, something that I don't do. So I went on the internet and I pulled up 2 or 3 places, looked at the reviews, and I called Kanga, and they sent Charlie out the very next morning. And I was very impressed with all the things that he said they could do for me. When Charlie came, he asked what I wanted done, and he did some measurements and that kind of stuff, had me pick out a kind of shingles that I wanted. And then we walked around, and on the other side of the barn I have a lean-to which had a wall that was very poor shape. And at the time that I called the company, I didn't realize that they could do that for me. So I had asked him, would it be possible? And he said, oh yes, they sure could do that. So that was great. And they also said they could put up gutters. It was good. I got phone calls from the gals at the office telling me what dates and times that people should be arriving. The crew arrived. There were 10 gentlemen up at the top of the roof. It took them most of the day to do it. They tarped everything so that there wouldn't be too many nails in my grass, because I do drive a tractor in that area and I don't need a tire going bad. And they asked all along, is there any questions you want to have answered, or, you know, we're going to do this, is this okay? Things like that. I had looked at everything when the crew left, and I thought everything was fine. And then I got a call saying the inspector was going to come out in a day or 2. And he gave me a time that he was coming. When we walked around to look at what was done, he looked at the wall that had been put up, and he said, this does not pass inspection. He said, I will send a crew out tomorrow to finish it, which he did, and I'm very pleased with it. He also went well above and beyond what I think an inspector might do. He took a magnet and he worked for an hour cleaning up nails, and I really appreciated that. Just knowing what they were doing and having telephone numbers to call, and the politeness of the crews. There was no, well, I shouldn't go outside because I'm not going to want to listen to what they're saying. I would say Charlie in the beginning, and then I believe it was Mark or whoever the inspector was. I can't remember his name. Have a phone call to them and have them come out and at least give you what they could do for you.